Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a fridge clean and organisation video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the big mess that we're in here. That is not how I normally have my fridge looking. It is a bit of a mess. There is likely some out of date food in here that I'll have to sort through. So I'm going to take all of this out, throw out the stuff that is expired, and then give it a quick clean. So I've got all the food out here and the salad box on the floor, so I'll get that cleaned up in a minute. I'll just take you a quick look in the fridge to see how grimy that is. That is just disgusting. That is not like what I have at all. This was just filled up last night. Paige has a water day on a Saturday. Okay, so we're gonna give it a clean through. What I use is some dish soap and water on a cloth. I believe that dish soap would be quite safe to use considering we wash our dishes with it, so it should be okay for the fridge. We've cleaned out our fridge. It's now all nice and clean, so I'm going to start putting the things back in it now. This long box for the bacon. It's good whenever you only have used a couple of slices, and then you can put it back in the box then, but we've got none that's open at the moment, so I'll just put them all in there, so that keeps them nice and tidy. In my salad bins, I like to put some kitchen roll in the bottom, and then once I put my fruits and veg in the top, then it sort of catches the sort of juices that come out of them occasionally, so I like to just put them down there. So another handy thing I've got here is these baskets. These hold yogurts for the kids, these ones are my girls, and cheeses. So I've got all the different kinds of cheeses that we like in this one, and the yogurts in that one, because I think those yogurts sort of go about the place in the fridge, but I would like to find somewhere else for them because they're actually not reachable when they're at the top. So these will go in here, and then there's another one. Put these in the fridge. Okay, so we now have a clean fridge. It would have been so much easier if I did this before we went shopping yesterday, but it is now done. So I've got all the cheeses that's in this basket. This can just be pulled down. This is a really high fridge. I have to go on my tiptoes to do this. This one we have the kids' yogurts in, squeezy packet ones. I'd really like to get them in a container that'll fit in this so that I can have them in here. They're more reachable for the kids, but I can't find one at the moment. And then I can put more cheeses in that one, because as you can see, that one is really full. I've got all the yogurts. I've got my cottage cheese here. I'll be honest with you, these kids ones are for me, these yogurts. We have butter and margarine here. We have another packet of eggs here with a lot of eggs. We have garlic bread and sort of processed meats here. We have our extra milk here. And this is our sort of dinners. We've got our sausages, lasagna and the bacon I told you about. And we have veg and salad things down here. And the door, I have all the sort of jars that we eat up here. Our eggs is there. We use this one for when we boil eggs, so we know this is boiled and this is raw. Our milk, our milkshake and mayonnaise, and this is some other bottles of condiments we have here. So that's the fridge cleaned out, so we're going to get on with the freezer. Ugh, look at that, that is no organisation at all in there. Seriously. There is nothing. Usually I have it organised in a different way, but as I said, I've been chucking things in when going shopping, so I'm going to get this all organised now. that's our freezer now done. In the top drawer here we have Yorkshire puddings. You'll have seen through that video that I had several bags of everything. I had 3 bags of opened Yorkshire puddings. I put into one, but I've still got this one, but I'll be using it tomorrow. We have our square sausage because we use it quite a lot, and we have pastry. And this little one, it is an ice maker, but we use it to put ice lollies in there, just so that there's somewhere in there. But there's we need to get some more. And this one, we have things like chips, wedges, curly fries, waffles. There's a pizza at the bottom. More wedges. There's fish fingers as well. And this one is the kind of meat drawer. So we have chicken nuggets, which we have far too many for, chicken dippers. We use them in wraps, so it's kind of like a KFC wrap. Then we've got all the other kind of chicken Kievs, chicken breasts, chicken burgers. So we have all that in thirds going down. And then the bottom one, which holds all our vegetables, and I've got some Indian food that's in here that really needs to be used up. We've got our peas, and we do, if we buy extra like leeks and things, we freeze them as well. So that's what's in there, so it's all cleaned out and organised a bit better so I can know what I've got in it. We have got an outdoor freezer as well, which we use for, like I've got a chicken, I've need to take out beef and pork chops and things, I've got extra stuff in there. So that's it all organised. And the fridge as well. There we go, looking lovely, looking far nicer, more like a bit organised as well. Okay everyone, that's up me, cleaned my fridge freezer. I'm a lot happier now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. See you again next time, bye bye.